side hustles. There are plenty of ways to make some extra money, and a lot of them you can do them from your phone. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 4 ways that you can make money by using your phone. Let's get to it. We're all feeling it. I mean, for real. Have you seen the cost of eggs? We need to bring in some money, and we need to do it now. We have to be smarter with our strategies to bring in money, but we also have to save money. Let's get on to this first app that I have to tell you about to make some money. We got to bring this money in, okay? Now, this first side hustle that you can start from your phone is one that a lot of people don't take advantage of, but we're all doing it. And it's taking photos using your phone and selling them online. So there are a variety of platforms that will let you do this. And believe it or not, Canva is one of them. If you're not familiar with Canva, you just haven't been watching my videos, because I use Canva a lot. I use them for a lot of my graphic design. I use them for the B-rolls in my videos. I even use them for my social media templates, all of that stuff. So think about it. Somebody has to supply these photos, and that could be you. So you can join Canva Creator and take your photos from your phone and put them on the Canva website. And when people like myself go onto Canva and use those photos, you can earn a commission from having your photos used. So this is a totally free option and a smart way of using something that you already have. Now I'm going to tell you, Canva can be really, really strict about what they allow on the platform. So word of advice, if you are going to upload photos into Canva, make sure you're not showing like brand logos, that kind of thing, because then you're getting into trademark infringement or copyright infringement. Make sure when you're signing up for Canva Creator that you actually do read what the policy is and what types of photos they actually accept. But before you sign up for a creator account with Canva, make sure you sign up for a regular account. Get access to the platform so you can see what types of images and videos other people are uploading, and then you can get a little sneak in on the competitions, see what's available, see what's not available, see if you can find some gaps, because I'm telling you, as a user of the platform, I can tell you there are a lot of gaps of photos and videos that sometimes I need that aren't available. So you can be the supplier of those photos and videos and actually make some money, and it's a passive income. So if you're interested in signing up for Canva Creator and also signing up for the Canva platform, use my link down below and sign up. The second side hustle that I suggest during this recession would be to sign up for an app that has either free gift cards or cash, where they're going to pay you to do simple or fun tasks. And that would include something like Swagbucks. So if you follow my channel, you know I love me some Swagbucks. So with Swagbucks, you can go in there and answer surveys or play games. And I'm telling you, they have games that you can play. If you get to a certain level, you can earn like $100 for playing this game. Another good option for that would be MyPoints. Both of these platforms, Swagbucks and MyPoints, have a variety of different ways that you can earn cash or gift cards. And both Swagbucks and MyPoints give you the option to cash out for cash through PayPal, and they also have MasterCard gift cards and Visa gift cards, that type of thing. But also, of course, the infamous Amazon gift card, Target gift card, Walmart gift cards, all of it. Like, they both have so many different options. So if you're interested in either of those platforms, like I said, I sign up for multiples, but those are my 2 OGs, and I've been with both of them for at least 10 years. And using these types of platforms is such an easy way to make some extra money that will take you a long way, because y'all know these free gift cards and cash options that I get from these apps, they help pay my bills, okay? So I suggest that you sign up with both of these apps. And if you are interested in signing up, I have special bonuses for each of them. So use my links down below and get your bonuses when you join and actually use the app. You have to use the app. You can't just get the app and then get some bonus points. That's not how it works. So make sure you use them, earn some money, and then you will get rewarded some extra bonus points for actually using those apps. Now, the third option for a side hustle that you can do on your phone, content creation. There's an app that I have, and it's called Billo, and you can create short videos about products, and these brands will pay you for creating these short videos, and it's all within an app. The Billo app is totally free. When you join, what you have to do is create a video about yourself, basically explaining where you're from, and you have to use a product, like maybe something around your house that you are describing, and that will give them an idea of how good of a creator you are, how good of a salesperson you are. So basically, this is your foot in the door of being an influencer, and you can do it with your phone. And one of the great things about the Billo app is not only can you get paid in cash, but you can also get paid with free products. And they have a bunch of different opportunities within the Billo app. So there's a lot to choose from. So if you're interested in beauty products, guess what? There are plenty there. If you're interested in jewelry, there's a lot there too. So whatever your niche, there are brands that are looking for influencers to talk about their product. The fourth side hustle is one of my favorites, and it's mystery shopping. So with mystery shopping, you pretend to be a regular customer and you basically spy on that business and report back to the mystery shopping company that hired you so that they can contact management and just let them know about your experience or the product that you got, that type of thing. What I love about mystery shopping is that it gives you the opportunity to experience things that you may not have experienced before, or find out about different businesses or services. My favorite restaurants were found through mystery shopping. And a lot of people will assume that mystery shopping is only available by going on websites and signing up as a mystery shopper. Au contraire, because you can actually do it through apps. And one of my favorite apps to use for mystery shopping is Mobi. So the way that Mobi works is they have missions. That's what they call their mystery shopping jobs. So for example, there is a mattress store in my area. There's a mission available for that where they want the shopper to go in and report back on the price of a particular mattress. Easy, right? So they have a bunch of different missions available. I know in my area, I'm in Philly, they have hundreds of options available within that Mobi app. And of course, since I'm talking about it, it's a free app. So you definitely want to sign up for Mobi. Make sure you use my link below. And you're helping a girl out for telling you about Mobi when you do that. So that way, I can get my referral bonus, okay? We here, right? But let me tell you, when it comes to mystery shopping, an app like Mobi is just the tip of the iceberg. I've been doing mystery shopping for years. So I decided to help you out, and I created a mystery shopping mini course. It's called the Mystery Shopping Masterclass. So if you're interested in that, go to the link down below. And let me tell you, when you sign up for that masterclass, you will also get a special download. It's a master list that I created of mystery shopping companies that I've been rocking with for many years, that are legit, ones that are not going to scam you because they've been paying me. There are several companies that I will never mention here on YouTube. So I'm telling you, if you want to get into mystery shopping, you want the real scoop, the real tea, and you want to make the most money with mystery shopping, make sure you sign up for my mystery shopping masterclass. That link is down below. So hopefully these options that I gave in this video will help you out with putting some money in your pocket, whether we are in a recession or not in a recession. With that said, if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to let me and the algorithm know by hitting thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you want even more ways to make some money, then I suggest you watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around